preform with the instant snow. The instant snow is really interesting, and it's really fun to play with. Now, it doesn't look like there's much in there, but this stuff will expand about 40 times its own original volume, producing a snow-like material. And it's called sodium polyacrylate, and it's used as artificial snow, and it gets very slippery. It has some of the same properties as snow, but it just won't melt, and so they use it a lot in like an advertising studio where they have a lot of very, very bright lights, and they don't want the item to melt, so it looks like it's covered with snow. Now, and it's also related to the baby diaper polymer that absorbs a tremendous amount of water. Now, here's what you can do with this. We can take and put about a teaspoon of this stuff. Let me go ahead and pour about a teaspoon of this in my little measuring device here, okay? And then I'm going to put this teaspoon of material right inside. We're just going to pour it right into this little cup right here. Then all you have to do is to add water. So we're going to add water to it, and then you can just watch it expand to about 40 times its original volume. So let's go ahead and pour some water in here. Okay, there's our water. Just watch it expand. And it just expands and expands, and it pushes right up, and it's really fun to watch as it goes over the edge, and it makes quite a volume of snow. And it's great for showing that there's no law of conservation of volume, and it's nice to play with, and you can decorate the classroom with it. But and we just use a little bit, as you can see out of this, so that'll make several cups of this instant snow polymer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and pour some of this out. It makes a nice pile of instant snow. Now this too will dehydrate down back into that dry powder, and then you can use it over again. But the problem is the kids will want to play with it, or you want to play with it, and when you do that, it just kind of turns into slush, and then it won't keep its little granular effect. So you can have a lot of fun with the instant snow polymer. Thank you. Thanks for purchasing the preform with the